Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious eggs. Achieving perfectly cooked eggs starts with fresh ingredients and proper technique. Always begin with eggs that are at room temperature for more even cooking. Use a good quality non-stick pan and a small amount of butter or oil, about 1 teaspoon, to prevent sticking. Remember, gentle heat is key to avoiding tough, rubbery eggs and ensuring a creamy texture. For fluffy scrambled eggs, whisk 2 or 3 eggs with 1 tablespoon of milk or cream until just combined. Pour them into a lightly buttered pan over medium-low heat. Stir gently with a spatula, pushing the cooked egg from the edges to the center. Cook until they are mostly set but still slightly moist, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove them from the heat immediately to prevent overcooking. To make a flawless fried egg, melt 1 teaspoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully crack 1 or 2 eggs into the pan, being careful not to break the yolk. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes for sunny side up, until the whites are fully set but the yolk remains liquid. For over easy, flip the egg gently and cook for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute, ensuring a soft yolk. Achieving perfectly boiled eggs is simple. Place your eggs in a saucepan and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. For a soft-boiled egg with a runny yolk, cook for 6 minutes. For a firm, hard-boiled egg, cook for 10 minutes. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath for 5 minutes to stop the cooking and make them easier to peel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.